Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly check how effective the WP Rocket plugin is. We will also briefly walk through all the settings of the WP Rocket plugin. But however, please note that this is a paid plugin. Let's get started. For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. To begin with, let's open our browser and go to our main website, let'slearnsomething.com. So this is our website. It has Google Ads, One Signal, and lot more things. And the site is running on Enfold with the said hosting from Namecheap. Let me quickly scan the website on Google Page Speed. This is the one. Let's analyze the website. So you can see the score for mobile is 23 and for desktop it is 69. The score for the desktop in a way is okay, but the mobile score is definitely not good. So let's try the WP Rocket plugin. For that, let's go to the dashboard /wp-admin, enter the credentials. So now we are in the back end of our website. If I go to plugins, here are very few plugins here. I have already installed the WP Rocket plugin. Let me activate it. So the plugin has been activated. Go to settings. The cache looks fine. Go to file optimization. I will minify CSS files. If you notice any errors on your website after having activated this setting, just deactivate it again and your website will be back to normal. Anyway, activate Minify CSS, combine CSS files, activate it, optimize CSS delivery, remove unused CSS, activate it, Minify JavaScript, activate it, combine JavaScript, load JavaScript deferred, delay JavaScript execution, and save changes. Please note, if your website does not work as before, then you may have to untick some of the options for JS or CSS. This site seems to work all good, so I will tick them all. On media, I will enable lazy load for images and also for iframes and videos. Also add missing image dimensions. I will leave this embeds and as well WebP compatibility. Save changes. Preload, I will leave it for now. If there are any preload fonts, you can add it over here. In advanced rules, I will leave it as it is. Database, let me clean it up. However, please make a backup of your database before doing this. CDN, I will leave it. Heartbeat, I will leave it. Add-on, I will leave it too. Image optimization, I will leave this too. So you can also export settings here, all the settings you applied earlier. And in any case anything happens, you can import all the settings here. Anyway, we'll leave this. And here are some tutorials if you wanna check. So it's done. Let me clear the cache. Sorry, it's in the dashboard or top bar. So simply clear cache. So it's all done. Let's analyze the website again. I will leave this as it is and try to retest the website again on Google Page Speed. So as you can see, the score has massively improved. The mobile score went to 98 and the desktop score 200. If I compare it to the previous one, it was 23 and 69. So I think WP Rocket has done a great job. Please do check your website if it's working all good or not after the changes. The website seems to work all great. So WP Rocket did make a remarkable changes. I did try on other sites as well and the results are awesome. If you wish to buy the WP Rocket, the links is in the description. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.